As the first P-pop group from Davao po, representing Davao and Mindanao is both an honor and responsibility po. And one thing that Davao taught us is to stay grounded because Davao has a deep respect for their culture and simplicity, which keeps us humble po. And one thing that I'm proud of to from Davao to share with other people is the talents and the ambition po ng mga taga Mindanao and mga taga Davao. And we want to inspire other artists po from Davao and Mindanao to pursue their dreams po and to believe in themselves. Yun lang
For
po.
us po, gusto po namin ma-inspire ang mga people po through our music and also para po mas build po nila yung confidence nila sa sarili. And gusto din po namin as group po maka-join po sa mga iba't ibang events pa po like Aurora Festival. Yan po yung mga dreams namin in the near future.